Hi you guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful painting. It was pretty easy and I hope you guys follow along and try it yourself. This is cobalt blue and then titanium white and then any kind of brown you have with a glazing liquid. When you mix all these three together, it kind of creates like a orangish blue, which is what you're looking for. And what the glazing liquid does is just makes it easier to blend later. So I took those three colors and I made a darker version of that, and now I'm blending it with the lighter version just underneath it. Now I'm going to mix magenta with white and then as well as that same brown I used earlier. And now I'm just blending that in with the whiter shade of the blue. Now I'm just taking any round object. This happened to be something I had on my candle, and now I'm creating a circle, just lightly drawing around it with a pencil. So now I'm taking cadmium red light with the darker magenta, and I'm just mixing that together with the lighter magenta to kind of create the colors for my sun. So now I'm kind of taking just the cadmium red light and putting down that first layer. I like using an angled brush here because it kind of creates a perfect circle edge, if you will, and I just find it to be the easiest tool to create that with the side angle of the brush, as you can see I'm doing over here. And I'm just continuing to lay down that bright red. And next I'm gonna introduce in the magenta shades that I mixed together, and that's just gonna be on the bottom of that circle, and you don't have to worry about putting it all the way down to the bottom and making a perfect circle because it's gonna get covered up with the clouds anyway. And then kind of just blend that together, work in the red with the magenta, and add more color if need be in certain areas to kind of create like a higher saturation. I like doing layers for this so it creates a really bright sun. Now comes my favorite part. We're mixing kind of that same magenta with a lighter white and also a little bit of brown to create these clouds. Just have fun with it, create like cool shapes. And then this is a darker version of the magenta, white, and brown, and we're just kind of creating some darker shadows. I'm putting them like closer to underneath the white part. I don't want to completely cover the lighter pink. And now I'm going in with the lilac and just highlighting the tops and the edges of the clouds to create that kind of nice purpley shade. Now I'm taking titanium white and I actually mixed it with some water, which unfortunately I didn't get to film, but you just want to dilute it so when you make the stars it just splatters everywhere nicely. Now I'm just mixing it with the toothbrush and take a piece of paper, cover up the rest of the art because you just want it in the sky, and kind of just spray it in any which way. And now I'm just going in with a brush and putting in other stars and then the little sparkly ones, which are so fun to create, and just add 4 little lines. Here's the final product, you guys. I love how it turned out, and the colors, the stars, the color palette with the light pink, the lilac, and the bright planet. I just loved it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you end up trying it yourself, please shout me out. I would love to see your work, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.